Let's quickly run through setting the time and aligning the hands on a Baby G BGA-151. To enter our time setting mode, we're going to press and hold our upper left button. We'll hear the watch beep and we'll see our seconds start flashing. We can zero this with our lower right button. To enter the next setting, we're going to press our mode button, which is our lower left. Now we can toggle daylight savings off or on. Mode again will allow us to choose our time zone, and this one we can go forward and reverse using both buttons on the right side of our watch. If we press mode again, we'll be able to set our hour, again forward and reverse. Mode again will allow us to choose our minute. Mode again will allow us to toggle between 12 and 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again will allow us to set our year. Mode again will allow us to set our month. Mode again will allow us to set our day. And finally, mode once more will bring us to this LT. We have a little small star here which indicates 1 second for our light duration. And if we have the larger star, it indicates 3 seconds for our light duration. Once we're done with all that, we'll simply press the adjust button again, and now our digital time will be set. Now on to aligning the analog display on our watch. So we're going to want to press our mode button from our main menu 5 times until we get to this H set menu. Then we're going to press and hold our adjust button, and now we'll see our time start flashing, and unfortunately this watch can only go one direction. We're going to want to press our lower right button, and we're going to want to manually line up our hands to match our digital time. And once that's aligned, we'll simply press adjust once more. And now we can return to our home menu and our analog display will be properly aligned. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope everything was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.